Hello YouTube, this is Mark Woods with another video. I'm just here to do a couple of boxes. It's like maybe about 5 of them, something like that. But I'm gonna let you guys get a little look at the new battery. It's not really a new battery, it's a used battery. I didn't pay much for it, so it's very budget friendly. So, and I hope it worked. You guys give me your feedback on the battery. So let's check it out. Hey, this is gonna be the battery I'm using, y'all. It's a real quality battery. As you can see, that's the powers on there. I mean, it's a nice little size. It's called the Intimidator, and it's going to be going along with this too. So that should give me more than enough power for now. And then when I get my 320 amp, alternator, all my power should be situated. But yeah, that's it, y'all. And let's get started with the unboxing. Alright, now we back in. So we're gonna start with the small package first. You see it? Yep, small package. Let's go ahead and do it though, but all this stuff is prepped for that Intimidator battery. And that Intimidator battery, I think it should do the job, man. But if you guys got feedback, let me know. All right, so right there. Oh, there it is, yeah. 300 amps. Yep, 300 amps. These are my fuses right here. So I got like maybe about what, 5 of them? Yep, 5 of them. These right here are the 0 gauge connectors. Yep, can we see it? Yep. All right. So we're gonna put that there. Let's go ahead and open this. Man, there's a lot of stuff. I don't even know where to start, y'all. We're gonna go with this white one right here. This white one. Let's go ahead and do that. All right. This is some heat shrink. Okay, some heat shrink, which is okay. We're gonna definitely use this. Let's put that over there. Slide that over there. Y'all can see that there. Yep. That's 2 packages. Another one, another one. It's like a kid, opening up presents on Christmas. That's the way I feel right now, guys. So, okay. So these are brass. Oop, drop one. Brass connectors. Man. So brass connectors. We looking good so far, guys. We're looking good so far. We're looking good so far. All right. Let's go ahead and check out this one. All right. All right. That's because I got this little stand right here. Maybe I can get a little bit better angle on it. because we're about to open up the good stuff now. So this is, I pretty much wanted to save this one for last though, but whatever. Let's go. This is going to be much needed. Wow, I didn't even know it was this big though. My goodness. Whoa. All right. I probably should have saved this for last though, but man, look at that. You get 4 connections. 4 connections. 1, 2, 3, 4. And all the 300 volt fuses is going to be through this. So, man, keep that over there. Keep that over there. And of course, what would all this be like? You know what I'm saying? What would all this be like without without no wire? You know? Oops, gotta use my. And I might do a little wire prep, a quick wire prep video for y'all too, to show y'all what I've been learning. Let's see, get that out of there. There we go. 0 gauge wire, of course. You know, it's nothing but 0 gauge wire being ran in my car. Of course, we all know that by now. Yeah, guys. Just trying to do things right, and then trying to up my game on my tools too. So we're gonna check this one out. A little yellow box. What the heck? A yellow box? Let's go ahead and check that out. All right. It's a hydraulic crimp, a hydraulic crimper. So got all the little tools up in there. So yes, sir. Close. It's a little cheap. Probably should be a little bit more expensive. Let's put that to the side. And last but not least, you know, when we got shrink wrap around, y'all should know what we got coming up with this. Well, I hope everything be all right with this. It's got come with it. It's got different little things. And there we go. A heat gun. This is, like I say, this is all prep for the Intimidator battery. We're gonna welcome the new family, the new person to the car, you know, to have fun with everybody else, you know. And like I said, guys, give me all the feedback, you know what I'm saying? You know, if I'm missing something, let me know, you know what I'm saying? Because this is about to be a nice little hookup. I did get the holes a little bit bigger because the terminal is on like a little bit big, so I never see like these. I can feel how hard these is, so I would not been able to crimp these on some regular crimping without the hydraulic crimper. This right here, man, oh man. This costs like $60, but I feel it's worth it, man. All right, y'all. I know we took a little time, you know what I'm saying, but, you know, thank you guys for watching. You know, if you like the video, smash the like button. If you're new, you should consider subscribing. This is Mark Woods. I'm out.